Okay, first make yourself comfortable. We inhale into the belly. Try to feel the expansion of our belly. And then we're gonna take, when it's full, we're gonna take another sip of air in to increase the breathing depth. So it's like a double inhale. And then we exhale through the mouth and try to really relax the whole body, like we do when we sigh. When we sigh, we let go of some weights in the shoulder, try to prolong the exhalation and really let the air escape our lungs. So you have a longer exhale than the two inhales. So feel your body first, just to anchor your mind to the present moment. Then take a deep inhale, another sip, and let go. And continue this way. Deeply in, another sip, and let go. Deeply in, another sip, and let go. Deep double inhales and a long exhale. Try to get aware of each stage of this breathing technique. When you inhale, you should feel the expansion of your diaphragm at all sides of your lower belly. You feel the intra-abdominal pressure rising. When you take the second inhale, feel this pressure in your chest for a very short moment before you let go. When you get aware of this pressure, it's easier to really let go and lean into the sigh. The more you let go of the sigh and connect this feeling of letting go and connect your body and mind to it, the easier it is to affect some circling thoughts that you may have lingering in your brain, or a mood that is weighing you down. So when you combine this breath-body connection, it's easier to really let go of all this weight. come back to a regular breathing pattern. And just stay in this moment for a while. And just get aware of your state. How has it changed to before you started? Try to observe your internal state as good as you can. You can direct your awareness to the sensation of how your body feels, the tension in it, or how you carry yourself. Or you can direct your awareness to your thoughts. How is the texture of your thoughts? How is the tone of your mood? Is it more leaning to the pleasant, neutral, or unpleasant side? This is also a level that you can direct your awareness to without judging yourself or without needing to explain yourself. It's about the feeling, the sensation. Can you really take in your internal state as it is?
I've put together a free 15-day Breathwork Foundation course that teaches you the most powerful breathing techniques that really shift your nervous system. Diaphragmatic breathing, coherence breathing, Tummo-style breath holds, and guided flows that combine multiple methods into a session. All the lessons are bite-sized, structured, and completely free. So whether you're dealing with stress, low energy, poor sleep, or you simply want sharper focus, more resilience, or reduce your inflammation, this is where you start. The link is below. See you inside. Bye.